Hi friends, Namaste, Assalamu Alaikum. It's me Jalil from Seagull International. Many job seekers were asking us regularly about the tips to find right jobs in Dubai. Friends, in this video, let me explain you a simple formula on how to find right jobs in UAE. You all have been in a job hunt situation. Nothing seems to work. You may also went through frustration and disappointment. You might have also submitted your resume in different job sites in UAE, but did not receive a single email or call from the employers. This may have happened with so many among us. Guys, so here I have filtered some important job tips which may effectively help to get your dream jobs in UAE. Step 1. Market or brand yourself by making a professional or super impressive resume, which includes your strength, qualification, and experience in a detailed manner. Step 2. Get your LinkedIn profile ready and connect with all the targeted companies and their hiring managers. During your job hunt, try to spend quality time on LinkedIn and connect with as many HR professionals possible. Step 3. Register yourself in all possible job portals and job websites. LinkedIn, Byte.com, Indeed, Naukri Gulf, Monster Gulf, SeagullsJobsForYou.com and Gulf Talent. Step 4. Upload your resume in all your targeted companies' website. Most of the companies first consider the CVs which they have received through their own website or emails. So uploading your CV in their website is very important, and this enhances the chance of considering your resume on priority by the employers. Now, let's go to step 5. The contact details of the employers or HR professionals, whatever you have collected, which should be saved in an Excel sheet, and send them soft reminder twice in a month by email, because due to huge volume of applications, they might have not opened or they might be missed your email from their inbox to read. So your follow-up may help to redirect their attention to your job application. Sixth step is to subscribe and read all the job classifieds in Dubai and Abu Dhabi, such as Gulf Jobs, Gulf Today, Gulf News, Khalid Times and Dubisel. Seventh step is an optional one. If you would like to visit UAE, you can come UAE for the job search. You can take a 3 months visit visa and come to UAE and do your job hunt. If you have any close friends or relatives in UAE, it's better to come to UAE and find the job or attend the interviews face to face, which will increase the chances for getting employment faster than you apply for it from your home country. Step 8. Use your professional and personal network or contact list to refer you to the right companies. Next, do not limit your job search in one emirate. You have to try your luck in all the 7 emirates: Dubai, Sharjah, Abu Dhabi, Ajman, Ras Al Khaimah, Fujairah and Al Quwain. Also, do not apply for every job or irrelevant jobs. Apply for the jobs which are actually suitable to your profile and save your time. Also, not to waste others' time. And the final step is you can use any top-rated government-approved reputed overseas recruitment agencies like Seagull International, who can help you to find right job in anywhere in the Middle East region. Even though you are not getting any positive response from any employers or recruitment agencies, please do not give up. You have to keep trying and achieve your goal. Now I hope these tips will help you to find your dream jobs in UAE. If you have any more doubts, don't hesitate to call us on the mentioned number. Also, upload your CV in our job portal, which is www.seaguljobsforyou.com, or else you can also email your CV in the mentioned email ID info@seagulindia.net. Wishing you all the good luck for your job search. We will see you soon in the next job related video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.
Seagull International Human Resource Consultants. Bridging the gap between dream and reality.